Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your XRP wallet address on your Binance app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Binance app. So after opening the Binance app, you will land on this home page. Then you have to click on wallet in the bottom right corner. After that you have to click on deposit. So then you have to click on search. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you. So after clicking on search, you have to search for XRP. Okay, then you will find this option XRP Ripple. You have to click on this one. Then you have to select the network that you want to receive the XRP coin via this network. I'm going to select BNB Smart Chain. Then you can pretty much copy the deposit address. This is your wallet address. You can pretty much copy it and send it to anyone. Otherwise you can scan this QR code and you can receive XRP coins on your Binance wallet. So this is how you can find your XRP wallet address on Binance app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.